Alright guys, we got the black R34 GTR getting a makeover. So we just got done taking off the headlight over here. It's a little foggy, can't really tell from this angle.
It just looks like plastic wood.
Yeah, it just looks like plastic and
instead of glass.
Instead of
glass.
It's not a glass headlight though.
It doesn't matter.
So basically, it's a little bitch to get this all done while it's got the bumper on, because you have to basically hold this down. You have to like push down on it to even get enough room. You have to loosen up all these bolts. I could take the whole bumper off, but the way it's set up right now, more work than needed. And this other side still needs to get its side fender piece out. So you gotta like pull this out. You gotta take this, pull it outside the fender, then pull this out, get the bolt behind here, take the bolt out, get the bolt on the side here, get this bolt, and then these two, and then this will come out. So then we're gonna get the gold badge put on the front here, since it's got the normal GTR badge, which looks like it's in rough shape. We're gonna get this hopefully done here soon. All right guys, I'm gonna show you the difference between a brand new headlight and a foggy, older headlight. It's literally night and day. That thing will definitely make your car look like $1 million. Oh yeah.
I don't know why everyone doesn't just buy new headlights.
So first we gotta take this one bolt out underneath, holding the lip to the fender, because it's also got this tray piece. And then we're gonna get the side bolt out. Once we get the side bolt out, we'll be able to take the headlight out, replace this bracket with a brand new black bracket, just like that one. This one's a little rusty, so, and should have the brand new headlights on there. Try to look so much better with that other headlight. All right, guys. So we got the screw out. We're pulling this fender out a little bit.
Bumper.
We're getting the bumper, and we're getting the bolt out of the fender, which is right there.
You can get a little socket, or you
can get a little socket,
a
or
ratchet
you can
wrench.
get the little ratchet wrench. And then once we get that out, we should be almost done.
So if you don't want to have to take the bracket and the whole bumper off, this is how you do it.
And then push this back in, Mike. And then the little bolt there will hold it back in spot, and that's on the front bumper. So now that we got this off, we're gonna go ahead and start getting these bolts out.
It's already out.
All the way out. All right, guys, so almost done. Just gotta clean up the fender, clean up this insides a little bit. While we got it out, might as well wipe it down. You know how it is, and then replace this little nice rusty bracket. We got brand new bracket for that. Everything else looks pretty clean, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Rusty motherfucker.
Wipe this dirt.
All right, so we just got the second headlight in. Really easy actually, than taking it out for some reason. Got that bracket replaced, so we're getting those bolts in right now. And forgot to put the thing on the ground.
Oh yeah. Well, I can stick it in between.
Okay. And yeah, so we are almost done. And then we got the GTR golden badge. We're gonna be going and getting it put in here, so almost done. All right, guys, so we got both R34 GTR headlights in. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off the GTR front badge and put the nice gold one, 24 karat gold one. It needs to get wiped up, but basically what you do, take these two little bolts. I'm not sure why this one has a bunch of washers on it, but you take the two little bolts there, and you take them out, and then this badge comes off. So go ahead and get that done right now. All right, guys. So we got the R34 brand new headlights, gold GTR badge. And we are gonna go ahead and close this video out here. Really appreciate everyone watching, and show you guys some video tomorrow, what it looks like. Alrighty guys, we are back with the brand new headlights. What we're doing next is we're gonna go ahead and paint this bottom lip. So we went ahead and did some painter's tape all the way around. We could take this off the car. I mean, it's not too many bolts underneath, but honestly, we're not looking for a perfect job. I mean, we're gonna get a new lip later. So we're just getting this nice. We sanded up some of the areas where it had some scuffing, just so it's not as rough when we paint. We're gonna go ahead and wash it, clean it up, and then use the 3M painting tape, put it over top of the front of the car, tape that down so we don't get any overspray. But man, those brand new headlights just look amazing. Look at that. All right, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that in here and get this started. All right. So now that we got the car taped up a little bit, putting the acetone, cleaning up the surface, prepping it after we've cleaned it, and we're gonna go ahead and get this painted here in just a second. We're gonna do a couple of layers, leave 2. So, all right, all prepped and ready to go. Let that dry. All right. Just finished up spraying it. I think it came out pretty good. Didn't come out perfect. I mean, it's a little
40 degrees out.
40 degrees out. It's kind of a little cold, so it takes a little longer for the paint to dry. We have the heat gun over here trying to heat that up a little bit. So yeah, I think it overall came out pretty decent. We did about 2, almost 3 layers of painting, and go ahead and take this off here and see what it looks like. Alrighty, overall, I think she looks really good. Just waiting for this paint to finish drying completely, but yeah, look at that. Black on black. Yeah. Looks real good. Glossy black paint definitely looks a lot better, so. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna go ahead and call this a wrap. I think that she turned out really good. All right, guys, we are back, and today it's the same day we just painted this bumper lip, and we're gonna go ahead and get some 3M. Get a nice little trim going around it. Make this look more like a Nismo. We got the Nismo rims, you know, R35, 2018. We're gonna go ahead and trim this up, put this around, give it that nice little Nismo pinstripe, and see what it looks like afterwards. And then we'll go ahead and get some video of that. As we just finished, let me know what you guys think. The red trim going all the way around the front. And then we have the side skirts, the rear. I think that just makes it pop really good. Let me know what you guys think here in the comments section below. I think it should be thicker compared to the Nismo, but all right, cool, man. Like it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.